Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will show you how you can download Gemma 412b and run it locally on your computer. So let's get started. So the first thing for you to do is to download LM Studio. There are other tools as well available that will allow you to run AI models locally, but I happen to use LM Studio. So download LM Studio. So once you download and install LM Studio, start it up. Okay, the interface, the app looks something like this. And I want you to go over to the left pane here and click on model search. Okay, so model search will list all the models that are available. So I happen to have Gemma 412 listed right on the top. But if you don't see Gemma 412, just go and search for it. Gemma 412b. Okay, sorry, 12b. And that should bring up Gemma 412b. Okay, I already installed it on my computer. That's why I don't have the download option. Okay, but if you haven't, but since it's your first time, you'll have the download option here. So just go on and select download. Okay, to download the model. Just one note about the capabilities. When you select the model, LM Studio also shows the capabilities of each of the models, right? So for Gemma 412, it has vision, tool use, and reasoning. So once you download Gemma 412b, I'll just close that and you load the model. Okay, I'll just select my model here. You can just go on and start chatting with the model. Okay, so now Gemma 412b is loading on my computer. Okay, and I'll just create a new chat. And then load the model. Why is it not loading my model? Okay. And then you can go on and start chatting with the model. Just one other option I want to show you all. On the left-hand pane, you also have My Models, okay, which will list all the models that you have downloaded on your computer. So the only setting that I changed for Gemma 412b, if I select setting here, that should bring up the right pane. I only changed the context length, which I put it up to about 8192, and the GPU offload, I maxed that out, okay? All the other options, I don't really understand all that, and that's not the aim. I just want to test this thing out and just do it, you know. So this is how you can install and run a local LLM, specifically Gemma 412b, locally on your computer.